In a historic turn of events, former US President Donald Trump has pleaded not guilty to charges of mishandling sensitive files. Today, we bring you the latest from his court appearance and his defiant response to the allegations. Donald Trump, arms crossed, sat in stern-faced silence as he appeared in a federal court in Miami, Florida. It's the first time a US president, current or former, has faced a federal criminal indictment. Earlier in the day, Mr. Trump's lawyer entered a plea of not guilty on his behalf, regarding 37 counts of illegally retaining classified documents and obstructing the government's efforts to retrieve them. Later, at his golf club in Bedminster, New Jersey, Donald Trump addressed supporters in a defiant speech. Against a backdrop of American flags, the frontrunner for the 2024 Republican presidential nomination claimed his right to hold the classified documents. Despite the charges, Donald Trump insisted he followed the law and raised a series of unsubstantiated claims. He expressed grievances against President Joe Biden and his former rival Hillary Clinton. As the controversy unfolds, the former president's court drama turbocharges his campaign, attracting both support and criticism. It's important to note that some argue the charges are politically motivated. Trump's attorney, Alina Habba, addressed the media outside court, suggesting that the targeting prosecution of a leading political opponent is akin to actions seen in dictatorships. Habba claims that what is being done to President Trump should concern all citizens of the country. A trial date is yet to be set, but this case has undoubtedly made a significant impact. We will continue to follow this story closely, providing you with the latest updates. Stay engaged and let us know your thoughts. Will this court case shape the future of US politics?
In a relentless wave of violence, Russian missiles rained down on a central Ukrainian city, leaving destruction and death in their wake. The attack took place in Kryvyi Rih, the hometown of President Volodymyr Zelensky, as Ukrainian forces continue their counteroffensive against Russian occupation. Russian forces have been launching repeated missile strikes across Ukraine in recent weeks, causing significant casualties. This latest attack resulted in at least 11 people killed and more than 24 injured. President Zelensky shared shocking images on his Telegram channel, denouncing the Russian aggression against residential areas. While Ukrainian forces are making small gains in their counteroffensive, Russian officials claim that the Ukrainian attempts to advance have failed. As the conflict intensifies, the battle for Ukrainian territory continues to exact a heavy toll on both sides. The international community watches with concern as the region teeters on the brink of further escalation. Will peace prevail, or will the conflict spiral into further chaos? The future remains uncertain.
In a shocking incident that left a community in disbelief, a first-grade teacher in Virginia was shot by her own 6-year-old student. And now, there's a new development in this harrowing case that has rocked the nation. The first-grade teacher, Abby Zwerner, has made the difficult decision to resign from her position, according to school officials. This comes over 2 months after she filed a lawsuit against the district seeking $40 million in damages. On January 6, while seated at her writing table in her classroom, Zwerner was shot in the hand and chest by the young student. She endured multiple surgeries and faced a long road to recovery. Zwerner's lawsuit alleges that school officials ignored warnings about the boy's behavior and failed to prevent the tragic incident. While Zwerner's case is pending, the school board has taken a different stance, requesting the dismissal of the lawsuit. They argue that she should be eligible for workers' compensation instead. The aftermath of this shooting has sent shockwaves through the community, raising questions about the safety and well-being of teachers and students. In response to the attorney's claim that Zwerner was fired, the school district released emails indicating that she had submitted her resignation. However, Zwerner's attorney maintains that her departure from the district was involuntary. As the legal battle continues, the lasting impact of this incident weighs heavily on the community and raises important questions about the safety measures in place for teachers and students. Our thoughts are with Abby Zwerner as she navigates her recovery and seeks justice. We'll keep you updated on this ongoing case. Remember to stay engaged and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more news updates.